Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can change language basically in WhatsApp only. So what you're supposed to do, get into your WhatsApp, then click the Gmail icon in your WhatsApp interface. It can be located in different area, either in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp or left, or in the bottom right hand side or left. Mine is here. Then just click settings, then come to where we have general. Then after coming to here we have general, you just need to come to where you have app language. So you can select the app language of your choice, so either Arabic or they are here. So let us try and change to Swahili and see the response. Don't know if I'll be able to interpret this thing, so I can just log in out a bit and then come back. You can notice my language have technically changed. So what I need to do, I just also need to follow the process. Click my Gmail icon here, then get into the settings, then come to, I have crammed, so it is named now Jumla. Then I just come to where we have Lugha, or what is basically in English we call language. Then I just choose English, which is here, and take it back to where it was at the beginning. So let us do it to readjust. I can log out and then log in again, and you can notice now it is back into understandable English language, which is simple, general, and now you can notice my app language is in English, and that is what we basically do. So you can choose if you understand Arabic, so and so forth, and that is what we usually do. Thank you and God bless you.